I told you yesterday also, capital gains and other sources are brothers and sisters. Both has to be read together. अब पहले problem समझो, directly we go to the solution. Or shall I explain the background of the chapter, of the topic? Background समझो पहले. Background समझो. Background ऐसा था. Be careful. I'll give you time to note down. Please do not write anything. सुनते जाओ. Year 1. I purchased a land for 10 lakhs. Purchase a land for year 2. I entered an agreement to sell the land for 20 lakhs. For 20 lakhs. And I receive advance of 2 lakhs also. Clear? How much more I should receive? We are sellers. I agreed to sell for 20. I received 2 lakhs. I have to more receive 18. I told to Y, Ray Y, 1 month time dera to pay the balance 18 and take the land. He said, okay, Raex. He did not make the payment. The agreement becomes VOID, void. You are Mr. X and you are an Indian. What will you do with 2 lakhs? Will you enjoy or will you return back? Why will Y come into picture? X के पास है वो पैसा. X received advance of. X received baba. So will you return back or will you keep with yourself? You are an Indian. That is called receive advance and forfeited. Receive advance and forfeited. Correct no sir? Because what violate चेसाడు, violate कर दिया agreement. अब क्या करें आप? Year X sold to Z for 30 lakhs. Story clear. We are Mr. X. When did I buy the land? When am I selling the land? Assuming it is less than 24 months. Short term. Because for immovable property the limit is 24 months. Sale consideration 30. Cost 10. Total 20. Short term capital gain. Why short term? Because asset was short term, this was short term. This was happening in India. Clear? Manmohan Singh was finance minister when he was Chinu babies in 1990s. He said, there is a problem in this. He said, Ray Mr. X, what is your total inflow? Cash inflow. 30 plus 2, 32. What is your outflow? 10. What is your net benefit? 22. You should pay tax on 22 then. But as per the provisions of the act, you are paying only on. It means we are getting less tax. It's a loss to government. So now Manmohan Singh called a team of tax experts like you guys. He said, tax experts, this should not happen. Because benefit for the X is 20 लाख नहीं है, 22 लाख है, 20 lakhs का दो 22 lakhs. It has to be 22 lakhs. Manmohan Singh said tax experts. I am the Manmohan Singh, you are my tax expert. All the students are watching online. We have two options to make it 22. Either make 30 plus 2 minus 10. Hello? Second option, option 1, option 2. 30, 10 minus 2. What will you advise the finance minister? Please answer in your brains. Half minute I am giving you, then I'll start. I want reason also. You should advise with reasoning. Why first option? Why second option? Why first option? Why not second? Why second? Why not one? Why not first option? Why not first option? You forget about indexation and all right now. It's a short term. Indexation nahi aata. Manmohan Singh said, we will go with second option. Because when we use the word, it is the amount received from the buyer. Amount received for the sale of the asset. That is, so he said it will be 10 minus 2. What they did now, COA is covered under which section? 55. 55 speaks about COA. They introduced a section called 51, which says AMRF, short form, advance money received and forfeited. वापिस बोलो, advance money received and shall be deducted from cost of acquisition. New section was introduced. ये कब हुआ? 1990s में ये स्टोरी हुआ. यहां तक स्टोरी क्लियर? Shall we continue? Shall we go into more deep? This provision had a problem. This provision has a problem. I'll give you two problems. I'll give you three problems. Then you should come out with the answer. Then I'll tell you what happened after that. First problem. This was the provision. I agree. इसमें तीन problems है. First problem. When did you receive the advance? Year 2. When are you deducting? You are enjoying the 2 lakhs for 1 year without payment of taxes. You are enjoying the 2 lakhs payment for 1 year without paying the taxes. Second loophole. How much you received? 2 lakhs. In year 2. When did you sell? What if I don't sell that land forever? What if I don't sell the land forever? What does 51 says? AMR shall be deducted from when it is sold. Then only capital gains will come, no? What if I don't sell the land for ever? 2 lakhs will not be taxable only. 2 lakhs will not be taxable. What are the first loophole? Receiving in year 2, sold in year 3, enjoying for 1 year. Second loophole. Received the advance, forfeited, and later on never sell. Third loophole. Advance enta 14 lakhs unte 10 minus 14, 10 minus 14, minus 4, minus of minus. ऐसा नहीं होता. I can only deduct 10. I can only deduct up to 10 even though you received 14. 4 lakhs is again untaxable. Then क्या हुआ? This problem came to picture. Which problem? Just now what I told. These problems. If you want, you can write those problems. I'll not dictate. That's not my headache. You can write your running notes. This was noticed by Arun Jaitley. Kon? He became the finance minister in June 2014 when BJP came into power. The first amendment he did was in this section in his life. Who did? He introduced one section. He says now, AMRF, advance money received, and now we check, is it before 1/4/14 or on or after 1/4/14? Why 1/4/14? Why only 2014? That year lo vaadu finance minister unnadu first time. BJP came into power. 2004 to 2014 was Congress. Okay. Then he said, if the advance money is received on or after, section 51 will not apply. And we are launching a new section, 56 subsection 2 clause 9, which says advance money received and shall be taxable under income from other sources. However, if you forfeit before, that Kotta section will not apply, because we cannot have retrospective amendments. The section will not apply. Then applies bole to advance money received and forfeited shall be deducted from cost of. Yahan you will write the same thing, but shall not be deducted. क्या लिखते हैं यहां? वापस बोलो. AMRF shall not be deducted from COA. Listen now. Example 1. Assume AMRF before 1/4/14. Example 2. Assume AMRF on or after 1/4/14. यहाँ सुनते जाओ बस. This example, you have, this example, this 1, 2, you have to copy it once again here. Clear? As it is. In example, you will only copy the first part. You'll only copy the first part. First part बोले तो ये वाला. ठीक है? Second part I will do. Year 2 लो How much is advance? That will be taxable under IFOS. Under 56 subsection 2 clause. Year sale consideration COA 10 minus 2 kaadu, only 10. Capital gains. This was the amendment. With this amendment, what were the three problems? You are enjoying the income for 1 year. Adi velpoindi because year 2 lo you are taxable. Second amendment, what if I don't sell the asset? Year 3 radu, this will still happen. Third amendment, if you receive 14 lakhs, mottam 14 lakhs will be taxable. All the three problems are vanished with the introduction of the amendment made by Arun Jaitley in his first budget in the first amendment with effect from 1/4/2014. If you want, we can go more deep on the amendment. This is just an overview. जाएंगे? समझ में आया क्या क्या कॉपी करना है? यहाँ बोथ 1 and 2, यहाँ ओनली देखो, यहाँ ओनली 1 followed by this. So listen, will not apply. Chalo once again, advance money received and forfeited before 1/4/14, 51 will apply. On or after 1/4/14, 56(2) clause 9 will apply. Any one section will apply, either this or this. Both cannot apply simultaneously. Clear? ये मनमोहन सिंह का अमेंडमेंट था, 51 सेक्शन 2 इंट्रोड्यूस. 56(2) clause 9 was an amendment of Arun Jaitley. That's the reason we are reading both together. Read with 55. 55 speaks about COA. 51 क्या बोलता है? अब बोलो. If advance money received and forfeited on or before 1/4/14 shall be deducted from cost of acquisition. 56(2) clause 9 क्या बोलता? Advance money received and forfeited on or after 1/4/14 will be taxable under IFOS. If this section applies, 51 will not apply, and if 51 applies, this section will not apply. Am I very clear? Copy कर लो. Now one more clarification. Listen. In your capital gains, you will find so many examples like this. If you are writing this example while watching the video as running notes, don't go through from your DT notes because the values might be different. Provisions you can read, but examples might be same or might be different also, but the concept remains the same. You not worry about the concept. Example values can change. अभी बोल दे रहा हूँ, मेरा सर खाएंगे unnecessary. Done? Can I scroll the next page? अभी तक ये नहीं हुआ. Check. Hello. This is the actual provision now. Hello. This is the actual provision now. Amendment आया था in Finance Act 2014. फर्स्ट अमेंडमेंट यही था इन इस बजट. Shall we continue? No. सर आपको एग्जाम्पल इसके लिए भी लिखना है. व्हाट हैपेंस इफ इट इज बिफोर, व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर, सो डू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस. Same example you have to copy what you wrote here, only first part, second part is given on the next page. So please use your brains properly and copy. आपको difference समझ में आता. Stop. One second here. In this, when he received 2 lakhs, which year? Why reporter asked Manmohan Singh, why you are not asking, why is it not a capital gain? Manmohan Singh said, Revesh fellow, transfer kaledu. Then there is no concept of capital gains. There was agreement to sell. Sale did not happen. Capital gain will apply if it should be a capital asset and transfer of capital asset. Transfer कहाँ हुआ? So we cannot tag these 2 lakhs as capital gains in year 2. Manmohan Singh's idea in 1990s, and that was correct also. That's the reason Arun Jaitley was very clear. We are not taxing 2 lakhs in capital gains. We introduce a new section and other sources. Under 56, subsection 2, clause 9. Arun Jaitley is not telling that 2 lakhs is capital gains. Arun Jaitley is telling that 2 lakhs will treat under income from other sources. You have copied this example once again till here, the example part 1. This is your second part. Here COA section 55 read with 51, but 51 will not apply only. Advance money received and forfeited before 1/1/14, which section applies? On or after 1/4/14, which section applies? Both sections will never apply together. I'll jump from the building only. Exam में नाटक करे तो, exam में mistake करे तो. And what does 51 says? Reduce from the cost. 5629 says we will tax under other sources. But if you want, we can go into deep of this topic also. I hope you are following the classes properly. I hope you are enjoying. I hope there is some validation in every lecture of your DT classes. स्टार्ट करें, ठीक है. फर्स्ट डाउट, सर who paid this 2 lakhs? Who paid this 2 lakhs to X? Y. Now question is, Y paid this 2 lakhs. Am I clear? Y की that is a head law loss అది कौन से हेड में लेना? बिकॉज we were only thinking from X point of view till now. What about other party point of view? We learn tax from entire angles. Why paid the advance? We understood what happened in the hands of X depend upon on one before 1414 on or after. That's okay. What happens in the Y's hands now? It's a government clarified. मर गया loss कहते, dead loss. It means cannot be set off, cannot be carried forward. ఈ మాట అర్థమైందా? ఫర్ హూమ్? ఫర్ మిస్టర్ వై. లిఖ్ लो नोट पॉइंट दिस. Who violated the agreement? Why did you violate? नोट पॉइंट लिख लो सर. ये चलो again you observe, I am not reading anything from the notes nor from the material. That you can also read, sir. चलो कंटिन्यू गाइस, थोड़ा जल्दी करो, बहुत कुछ करना है, ठीक है. अब shall I confuse you? Shall I confuse you? आप सुनो, be careful, you have to copy this. You wrote note 1, no? This is note 2. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా, we are in which topic? COA. In the pro forma. After every half an hour I will wake you up. I am just covering the pro forma. We are under COA in the pro forma. Note, when seller defaults. क्या कहते? अब सुनो मजा क्या आता है इसमें. चलो, when seller default, see the example. X year 1 purchase land for 10 lakhs. Purchase land for 10 lakhs, ठीक है. Year entered an agreement to sell to Y for 20 lakhs and X received advance of 2 lakhs. Balance how much? 18. X told to Y pay within 1 month and take the land. Y said, okay. After 10 days, after 10 days, X came to know flyover is coming on the road and the land value will triple in the next 6 months. So he felt, why should I sell for 20 while later on I can sell for 60? I called Mr. I don't want to sell, take back your advance. Example clear? You have read all the story, then only you will understand when you read. I don't want to sell, take back your land kaadu, take back your advance. Why क्या करा? Why sue X in court of law? Why, sir? Who violated the agreement now? That is the seller. And court said, Ray Waste fellow X pay compensation of 30 lakhs to Mr. Y. Story clear? Please yes or no bolo please. यहाँ तक story clear? Then you will copy this part. First this and this. Let us see from both the parties' point of view. X point of view and Y point of view. Yes or no? X point of view के लिए loss enta. He received 2. He is paying 30. Loss will be 28. Again government clarified it is a dead loss whether buyer defaults or seller defaults. Previous note 1 में Y lost 2 lakhs. That was buyer defaulting. This is seller defaulting, dead loss. मल्ली bracket में लिखना cannot be set off and cannot be carried forward. In the hands of Y. Benefit how much? He gave 2 lakhs but got 30 lakhs. Benefit is 28 lakhs. And Supreme Court held the judgment. ED capital gains. Who held the judgment? Supreme Court told it is capital gains. Mr. Y is telling Ray Supreme Court, from where did you take DT coaching? How is it capital gains? Because to apply capital gains, there should be 214 plus 247. 214 is, which is a 247 is, what did I transfer? Nothing. Supreme Court said, Ray Waste fellow Mr. Y, by paying 2 lakhs, you had some right on the land. But by accepting 30 lakhs, you are giving the right back to Mr. X. By paying some advance, you had a right on the asset. But by accepting the compensation, you are giving back the right. That is called relinquishment of right of the asset. And here capital asset is not land, is the intangible asset, which is the right. He is not selling the land, he is selling the right. By accepting 30 lakhs, that right again is shifted from Mr. Y to Mr. X. So government says sale consideration will be 30, COA will be 2, and balance will be 28 lakhs under capital gains. Am I clear? You have to copy something after that. Come to your material. Everyone on page 265. This is the case law name. सुनो अब you will copy note 2, first this part, then this part, then from the module right now, from page 265 module 1, you will copy the heading, come down from here, till here you have to copy. Right now means right now. I'll give you time in the session itself. But your homework is to copy the CIIs. That is your homework for the lecture. Because I want the CIIs in your notebook. When I start the problems, it becomes easy for you to refer. Samajh mein aaya? So this judgment is given by Supreme Court under which case law? K dot R dot Srinath case law. K dot R dot Srinath case law में Supreme Court held it is a capital gain. किसको capital gains लगता? Mr. Y को capital gains लगता. Note 2, note 1 is already copied, no? Chalo, note. I have note 3 also. I told you, I will take you to the highest level possible in capital gains. You don't worry about that. हेलो, इसके बाद यहाँ लिखना X did not want to sell the land and cancel the agreement. Then this comes. अब खाली story लिखें दो और later when you revise you will not understand the example only. So write it properly in the language what you feel is comfortable. In that, suno, in that case law, what was the advance here? In the case law, it was 40,000. That's the only difference. In that case law, so whenever you copy the case law now, don't write 40,000, write 2 lakhs only. I did not even complete 1% of capital gains. मैं वापस बोल रहा हूँ, अटेंड माई क्लासेस इफ यू वांट मार्क्स एंड नॉलेज. If you focus on knowledge, marks will definitely follow you. I can complete capital gains in around 5 lectures also, but that if I talk only on examination point of view. Once this is done, you have to take page number 265 of module 1. You will write the name of the case law, then whatever I have ticked, you have to write it right now immediately as it is. Control C, Alt Tab, Control V, like in articles. Exactly लिखो, मैं जैसा बोल रहा हूँ नोट्स वैसा बनाओ. चलो Shall we start? नहीं हुआ? ओके फाइन, आई विल वेट बट कॉपी व्हाट जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वैसी कॉपी करो, नहीं मेरे को परेशान न को करो खाली पीली. Whatever I am saying, it's for your benefit. I'll not get laddus if you write. सब बहुत कुछ कवर करना है, थोड़ा भी क्विक. चेक चेक, हेलो. Listen now. चल, how many notes are completed? 2. Last note point. That will complete COA with red with 51, red with 56, subsection 2, clause 9. That was point C or point D? That was point number C. You have to continue. Next, after this note point, it will be point D. Next point T. Next point F. Okay. सुनो, इसमें क्या हुआ? सुनो, Manmohan Singh had a problem. I am assuming transaction is before 1414. So which section will apply? 51 will apply. 51 will apply. 56 to clause 9 will not apply. Year 1 you purchased land for 10 lakhs. Year 6 you wanted to sell to Y. He gave you advance of 2 lakhs. He defaulted. You forfeited. How much? 2 lakhs. Which year? Year 6. You purchase the land in year 1. Finally sold in year 7 for 30 lakhs to Mr. Z. We are in year 7. Period of holding will be 1 to 7. Year 1 to year 7. More than 24 months, long term. Sale consideration. Cost of acquisition, red with 55, red with 51. Because I have clearly assumed the transaction is before 1/4. Now Manmohan Singh had doubt how to calculate index cost of acquisition. He's giving options to the tax advisors. You are the tax advisors. You have to tell me what should be the feasible answer. He's telling what is cost? 10. Into indexation will come CII in the year of transfer 220 by in the year in which I acquired year 1 100 minus 2 lakhs. This is first option. Second option, 10 lakhs minus 2 lakhs into 220 by 100. Do you have any other option in front of you? You can give me. Because we are not law learners, we are law makers. We have to create the law. But I'll stop if you're going wrong, don't worry. Any other option you have? है तो बोलो रे. Huh? He also said, can this be possible? But Manmohan Singh said this can't be done. You do indexation for the cost. 2 lakhs is not your cost. So this is out of the option only. We have two options. Give me the answer. Calculator lo re. 10 lakhs into 220 by 200 by 100. 10 lakhs into 220 by 100 minus 2. Answer is 20. Second one, 8, 220 by 100, 17.6. Who are we? We are the lawmakers. We are from central government. We want the SSC to claim higher cost or lower cost. We want the SSC to claim higher cost or lower cost. We want them to claim the lower cost. Because cost takwa unte, gain will be more. Cost kam hai to gain will be more. Cost is less, gain will be more. Gain is more. So we follow the second option. Answer is 17.6 and 12.4. This will be called long-term capital gain. So I can conclude, advance money received and forfeited, if it is before, we will deduct from COA. On the net cost, indexation will apply. Here what is net cost? 8 lakhs. 10 minus 2 no, 8 पे इंडेक्सेशन आता. किस पे इंडेक्सेशन आता? नेट कॉस्ट. You will get the indexation benefit. But if a question comes like this, you should know how to do. We have lot 50 problems in capital